Hi, I'm Carl, and this is my weather and climate observation report for Atmosphere 101. This report is for February 4 to February 8. Observer is me, Carl, at Nerland Hall. I am sort of on the east side of campus at Nerland Hall. So this week was pretty warm for this time of year. It is, I would expect temperatures to be sort of colder, but I've lived here a while. The average temperature slowly rose through the week. I can show you the graph here. So the average temperature rose, and I think night temperatures were dropping for Wednesday and Thursday, but night temperatures might have gone up on Friday. I have one outlier right here that's at 33 degrees Fahrenheit. I think one of my sensor probes on where I have it tied to a tree, I think it caught a lot of sunlight during the day, and that artificially brought up the average temperature. I should probably go and move that slightly. Through the week, pressure dropped from Monday to Tuesday, but then pressure rose from Tuesday to Wednesday, and then Wednesday to Thursday, but then dropped again from Thursday to Friday. Monday. So Monday, gray, overcast, full overcast, nimbostratus clouds with light precipitation. The snowflakes were light and fluffy. I measured, when I collected my data, 1.7 inches of freshly fallen snow. Tuesday is gray, overcast, nimbostratus. This day felt very humid, like it was foggy. You can sort of see that in the picture. Is more noticeable at longer distances. There was more fallen snow. Was densely packed, 0.2 inches. Wednesday was mostly clear, cirrus clouds, no snow. Thursday, sort of gray-white, overcast, 3/4 full, nimbostratus clouds, more snow, 1.8 inches of snow. I observed mostly densely packed looking snow. Friday, gray, overcast, nimbostratus with heavy snowfall. The flakes were densely packed. When I collected my data, 0.5 inches of snow, and it was continuing to snow when I was outside collecting data. Monday, wind came from the northwest. Tuesday came from the southwest. Wednesday, southwest. Thursday came from the west. Friday came from the northeast. That concludes my report. Thank you.